Hello guys, today I will show you how to set the Zotac Geforce 610 graphics card, which is of 2 GB, and so we will start it. This is the graphics card. Now we will open the cabinet. So guys, you can see that the graphics card is fitted well and it's all fine. Now just fix the screw up in the brackets. Here you can see brackets are being fixed. Make sure that the graphics card is fitted well and the brackets are closed tightly. Check the clips before. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel.